Yummy bottle gourd recipe. Bottle gourd is a vegetable high in water content and is a rich source of vitamin C, K and calcium. It helps in maintaining a healthy heart and brings down bad cholesterol levels. The juice is also beneficial for diabetic patients as it stabilizes the blood sugar level and maintains blood pressure. The vegetables growing on climbers are excellent natural remedies to reduce uric acid levels in the blood. According to this study, bottle gourd is also good to reduce high uric acid in the blood. Health benefits of bottle gourd. It promotes in weight loss, it helps in digestion and treats constipation, it treats urinary problems, it treats sleeping disorders, refills loss of water content, it keeps your heart healthy. Now, you can prepare healthy and yummy recipe with bottle gourd. Ingredients: bottle gourd pieces, sesame powder, lemon, salt, chili powder, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, curry leaves, coriander leaves, mustard seed, onion and garlic. Preparation: switch on the stove and keep a pan on it. Now add butter and let it melt for some time. Now add jeera or cumin seeds, mustard seeds, garlic cloves. Fry those ingredients for some time. Now add chopped onions and curry leaves and a pinch of turmeric powder. Now add chopped bottle gourd pieces and leave for 5 minutes until it changes its color and add salt as you taste. Now add red chili powder and sesame powder and mix all those ingredients thoroughly. Now add lime juice and coriander leaves. Finally, switch off the stove and take into serving bowl. By consuming bottle gourd in your diet, you will have so many health benefits. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.